Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily install Planner 5D on your PC. So the first thing that you want to do is just easily click on the link down below in the description, and when you're going to do it, you will end up right here in LD Player. LD Player is an amazing tool that is going to help you install and play some apps and games, and you want to click download LD Player. Now you want to open it, and I got already prepared installation video how I install it. So first you're gonna choose where you want to install it, then you're gonna download it, and then installing. So in the moment when you're gonna have it, you have to connect it with your Google Play account. So I'll here to LD Player, Home, System Apps, Play Store, and you're gonna add here Planner 5D. Here I will click install, and you just wait until it's going to get installed, and then you're good to go. Open. Okay. Okay, and we can start actually like building right now. Right, so you can click here and move it. You can click plus here and add a room. Click plus here. Let's say I'm going to have arc, and then I can move to 3D, and this is how it looks like. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.